Hey everybody, this is Wakefield from True Online Wealth. And what I want to talk to y'all today about is one of the greatest outsourcing sites on the planet. This site is not uh, what I want to say. It's not a secret anymore, I might want to say. I mean, this site is pretty much famous now when it comes to hiring people to do services for you for $5. Um, it's some real good vendors over here. I mean, they got everything just about under the sun. If when it requires or comes to internet marketing services, or I mean, they just do so much. I mean, you see right here, video and animation, writing and translation, digital marketing, graphics and design, programming, tech, business, fun and lifestyle. It's so many services that you can get outsourced. You might want to spend your time doing something else and just pay somebody else uh, to do your services for you. Uh, I mean, some things are $5, and you got some things that's 120, 250, $5,000. It's absolutely free to sign up and get your account set up. I mean, they just got everything over here. I mean, it started off with just services for $5. As you can see, Fiverr has become big business. I forgot exactly how long Fiverr been around. Fiverr ought to at least be about 8 years old, I'm thinking. I remember when somebody told me about it for the first time. That was every bit of 2010, 2011, maybe even before that. So Fiverr has really grown. Now you even see Fiverr commercials on TV. So it just goes to show you the growth of Fiverr and how it has evolved and has become a big outsourcing giant in the online internet marketing world. So, like I say, if you want any services done, they got plenty of people. You can see their rating, their comments, and feedback when you go to their profile. You can also become a seller and sell your services, but it's free to set up your account. I mean, it's just so much that they do. I mean, you want SEO done, video marketing, email content, logo design, banner ad. I mean, it's just unbelievable the services that's over here. And there's some reputable people over here that will get it done for you if you're willing to pay the money to get their services. So go ahead and get you a free account. I'm gonna put my link below, and you can go ahead and sign up for free. I'm also gonna put a link to my blog below that. And make sure you most definitely subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell. Y'all have a wonderful day and get your Fiverr account set up for free. Peace.